What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Art Adventures. So before we get started on our actual video, I just want to give you guys a quick little update. You see this little 63.1 gigabytes out of 64 gigabytes used? Look at my memory. I don't understand this other thing. I don't know how to get rid of it. So kind of dealing with some technical difficulties. Anyways, I'm going to get to the video. I'll see you guys in a second. So today we just got ourselves another Mario mystery pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. I got some bigger scissors this time so I don't hurt my hands like I did last time. My hands were all kinds of cramped up. Again, these mystery packs, it's kind of like, hey, you get what you get. I don't know what's in it, so let's find out. Oh, I think it's something new. Yes, it is. What is this guy? I don't know what this is, but let me pop this open real quick. I'll get with you guys in just a second. All right, guys, so it looks like we got this Thwimp, Kabing, whatever that thing is. Anyways, kind of looks a little boring, so I might use that brick, the red and the yellow, the orange for something else, but you know, wish it was something else. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get this bad boy started. I'll catch you guys in a second. So, first things first, go ahead and grab this little circle joint right here. We're gonna go ahead and put our two black pieces here. The ones that actually say Lego are the ones that go on top. You butt up the two flat backs together. So now you have ports on all of the sides. Then you're gonna stick that circle part right on the bottom there. Boom, now you have that, it's all together in one. Simple enough. You're gonna take the face, you're gonna put the face on the front. Doesn't really matter what side you put it on because it's a cube and all four sides are the same. So you just put it on one of those sides. Then you're gonna take four of these little pyramid gray shapes and you're gonna put them on all the sides. It doesn't feel good to press on because it's kind of sharp. But we'll pop these on and I'll get you guys fast forwarded so I don't take forever on this. All right, as I always say, I don't know what this little trademark thing is, but it is some type of vent or something is what I've been calling it. So slapping that down there on the bottom, make sure that the little face is on the bottom right corner. So that's it for this piece. I'm gonna go ahead and get the platform done, which is gonna be orange piece, skip 2, orange piece, yellow on top of that, yellow on top of that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start getting on these bricks. This one is not a brick yet, it's a flat piece, but you're gonna put that on the back. Then you're gonna take the brick faced 4x1 and you're gonna put that on the front. So now it's a 2x4, but the front side is bricks. You're gonna take this 2x2 flat piece with just the one port on it. You're gonna put that in the center. And then you're gonna take these 2x1s with that one port on each side of that. So now you have the 3. Now we're gonna go ahead and put that circle on top of that little cylinder that's sticking out. Boom, there you go. There you have it. That's the first one. So yeah, not the most enjoyable one to do. Not the hardest, not the most exciting Mario mystery pack that I've gotten. But it's all right because I got another one. I just hope it's not this thing. All right, guys, I got it opened. I don't know what it is, but I see some reflection. It's yellow inside, so hopefully it's not Para-Beetle. Maybe it's this. I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys, so as you guys know, not the most exciting one. Anyways, my second pack, I opened it up, poured it out. I got the Para-Beetle again. I already have this one, so I'm not gonna waste time in building it. But I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these pieces, mix it with some other duplicates that I have, and I'm gonna see if I can put something together. Maybe I'll make a video on that. So, all right, guys. Well, there you go. There you have it. There's my 2 mystery pack pieces that I got. Para-Beetle, whatever this guy. His name is. It's kind of boring, but hey, it is what it is. Anyways, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys on the next one. See if I can get some drawings out to you guys, get some tutorials. So, it's been fun. It's been real. See you later. Peace.